I've been sitting here with the cockatiels the last 10 minutes or so, and they keep eating seeds, but it's funny because they keep eating seed that like cracks as they chew it, which means they're like seed bits that just fly off there and start smacking me in the side of my face. So how is it that like you're eating the seed over there, but I'm finding seed bits in my beard? Hey, well, that was close. Nearly landed on the phone. That would have been a first. Anyway, you got something to say to people? Yeah, you got anything else to say? Oh, sorry for interrupting. What was it?